Today we're back again with Oral-B Genius, and today I want to give you my thoughts and my review on what I think about brushing with Oral-B Genius Artificial Intelligence. It's been 3 months now and I've been so excited using this toothbrush. I thought was a waste of my money because these toothbrushes are very expensive, and I thought we never needed artificial intelligence actually with brushing our teeth. But when I started using this toothbrush, it was just recommended by my dentist. I should use an electric toothbrush. I thought it was a joke because I never believed in such a thing. So I managed to score one on sale. I got one with a 50% discount, and I managed to afford a 300 euro toothbrush. So eventually I want to share everything I found. So they say the battery life of this toothbrush is 2 weeks if you're using it, which I tested out, and it's true. The first month I've used this toothbrush, it's actually lasted me 2 weeks using the battery life, and I haven't got any problems with it with the battery. And actually it comes with 2 chargers. One is a separate one and another one is in its case holder, which you can charge on the go and can also use like a USB-C cable from your computer or anywhere. So you just plug it in and then put it in the carrier to charge. And I really like the way it gives you all the insights on how you're brushing, because what it does is if it makes you use the app, if you buy it, make sure you connect it to the Oral-B app. This Oral-B app will actually change your life. It coaches you exactly on how to brush your teeth. And imagine that you have someone telling you if you're brushing well, how long you're brushing, giving you profits and telling you you're doing it well or you're doing it bad. It's someone on the other side helping you improve your dental hygiene. I think it's great and funny because it's been 3 months and I've got so many trophies. Let me see. Yeah, all the trophies. I think 8. When you buy it, get the Oral-B app too. If you're using an iPhone, get it in the Apple Store. If you're using an Android phone, get it in another, I don't know, Google Play, I don't know which other, because I use an iPhone. So the other thing you should also focus on while brushing your teeth with this artificial intelligence toothbrush is make sure you follow the instructions that are given and all the commentary that's given during your coaching and that kind of thing, because it will help you improve and it will help you learn how to brush better. I've realized that there's so many things I wasn't doing before with a normal toothbrush and I was missing lots of spots. It also helps you guard your gums, because most of us, we tend to damage our gums. Before I used to brush and I used to get bleeding in my gums, but right now I don't get that because with this toothbrush with artificial intelligence, it has that guard that guards your gums and you don't get the pain or you don't even get the bleeding. So it's a life-changing product. I feel anyone should try it out, and if you're interested in maybe trying it out, check in the description link below. There are links to my Amazon affiliate links and you can use those to get yourself one. Maybe there's a discount, I don't know, and maybe you'd be the lucky one to find that. And I think those were my thoughts. And things you shouldn't forget is the Oral-B app, and pair it and try to take your charger with you. And I think it's a life-changing product. So AI in our mouth, good thing. And that was it, and I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned and keep watching for more videos on products I unbox and other things. And see you soon, and stay tuned. Bye bye.